I love using computer paper to draw on in our lessons, but any paper will work. There's 3 reasons why I really love computer paper. One is I love buying paper in bulk. It's super cheap and you get a lot of it. And number 2, leaving a stack of computer paper on a shelf is perfect for kids to access at any time. And lastly, number 3, printer paper is simple to preserve. When your kids create that perfect picture that you just want to keep forever, it's super easy to put into a frame or even scan or place into a portfolio because it's on a single sheet of paper. Don't get me wrong, sketchbooks are awesome to draw on, especially when you're on vacation or you're traveling. It's just slightly more difficult to rip out a page if you want to keep it forever. Now, one of the most important things you want to remember is that many of our drawings we use permanent markers or Sharpies. So if your child is also using a Sharpie, you want to make sure that they're using more than one sheet of paper so that the marker doesn't bleed through and get onto your table. Sometimes even more than 2 sheets is necessary. And when your child is done drawing, don't throw away those extra sheets. Keep them as scratch paper. Now below this video in the description, I'll leave a link where you can head over to Amazon and purchase a whole box of paper for a great price.